What's up, guys? Coming with you with game 2 between me and Trevor. I'm running Lightsworns and he's running his toys. Let's cut the decks and get it on.
Damn Sams.
Yeah, that was a good duel though.
I swear, bro, they're gonna be the death of me.
Alright.
Oh, dice it.
Dice it.
5. Beat that. Oh,
Come on,
get
6.
the hand, get the hand, come on.
6.
Jerk.
I'm gonna go first.
Damn it. I'm 1 card away from the hand, bro.
That's alright.
You better.
I got a good hand myself.
You better draw Yugioh right now.
Solar recharge.
Oh God. Oh Lord.
Draw 2. Draw 2.
Oh wow, I just had like the dumbest moment. I'm like, where the hell's my iPod?
We're using it. Summon Jane.
Yep.
End turn.
Okay.
2.
Oh my God, good mills. Except for that one.
Monster Reborn, yeah. Go ahead.
Alright. Draw phase. Set 2. Summon rabbit.
Alright.
Activate effect.
Alright.
Enter.
Sacrifice Jane.
Okay.
First tier. Effect.
Veiler.
So,
I think the cost.
oh,
of
the
send
cost.
Though,
Yeah. I think is it 10 force down?
I think that might be the cost. Because it says you have to send it to target, so.
It says you can send the top 4 cards to your deck. Okay. That's
Yeah,
fine.
so I think that's the cost. Yeah, you're good. Yes. Oh, hell no.
Monster Reincarnation.
Okay. You're a jerk. BLS me, bro.
Special JD. Response?
No.
Blow the field.
Damn.
Hee hee hee. Motherfucker. Attack for 3.
Yep.
No 4. Come on, Wolf.
Yes. Oh, cheating.
Go ahead.
Alright. Draw phase. Stand by.
Yep.
Set 1. Okay. Summon rat.
Okay.
Overlay.
Are you minus 1,000 in the wrong person?
Oh, damn. Right. So, 4,000.
So take 1,000.
And then, oh, wait,
Yeah.
what am I doing?
Plus 1,000.
Oh, yeah, okay. So, do minus 1,000, and then I lose 3,000.
Right. There you go. That looks better. I'm like, what the
And
hell?
activate that.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I had Monster Reincarnation, I was gonna get Effect Veiler back. But I'm like, I'm gonna wait. Look who comes around.
Magician.
Yep. Magician. I don't think I know what's in your hand. That one card, I think I know what it is.
Special shark.
Yeah, I figured.
Magician effect.
Okay. Ooh, are you gonna be getting him out?
I'm telling you, bro, if I had Volcasaurus, you would lose right now.
Okay.
Shark to level 5.
Okay.
Magician effect.
Pyrrhus. 3.
I got this.
Damn, this is a huge loop. There's gonna be a lot of monsters on your field. You're gonna overlay the magicians to get something that's over 4. Then you're gonna use
Rat's
Wrath
Effect.
Effect to get Rabbit.
Over those.
Acid Golem.
Golem attack.
Ooh, this is gonna hurt. You're gonna crash.
Utopia.
25.
Shark.
15. Okay.
Enter.
Draw.
Joseph,
Yeah.
I need your assistance. You and Trevor?
Okay. 1 second.
Oh, Dark Hole? Okay, I'll start it, run that.
Ooh. I should have done something. We will. Hold on. Okay. Summon Lila.
Okay.
Set 1. Special summon BLS.
Okay.
Banishing. That. Drain. Okay. And?
Nope.
Okay.
Top deck.
Oh wait. Okay. Banish.
Okay.
Hit the mighty. 1 second, Mom. Enter. 1, 2, 3.
Draw. Top deck like a boss.
No way. Oh wait. Train.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably game. And turn.
Draw. Cribons.
Just make guys, mate.
15,
points.
3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's game. Because I attack 15, 15.
That's game right there.
Yeah.
15, 3,000.
Yeah. And then we'll pause it for this part. Round 2.
I told you, bro.